Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to get a modded cookie run kingdom with unlimited like gems, diamonds, crystals, as you can see right here. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it onto your device. This doesn't require you to have a jailbreak or anything like that, so let's get right into the video. So the first step is to go to this website called ZooMods, and then we're going to type in cookie run kingdom. So as you can see, it says cookie run kingdom mod. So now we press on it and wait for it to download. So if you got a decent internet, guys, it shouldn't take that long. But be sure to go and try it out for yourself because it's super cool. And yeah, as you can see, it will start to download. It's only 20 MB. So yeah, if you go to the App Store and type in Cookie Run Kingdom, you can see it is super expensive. So I'm just going to show you guys right here. If we type in Cookie Run Kingdom, as you can see, guys, and then we go in-app purchases, you can see it's super expensive. So if you want to get everything for free, guys, be sure to try this method out. It's super awesome. So just go to ZooMods and then just type in Cookie Run Kingdom, guys. It should come right up. So as you can see, there it is. So yes, it's pretty cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. See you guys in another video. But yeah, it's pretty epic. There's a ton of mods on this site, which is pretty cool. So anyways, guys, definitely go ahead and try it out. It's pretty awesome. As you can see, I got all the money right there. So yeah, it's pretty cool, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself because it's fully working. And you can get so rich in this method, guys, as you can see. So be sure to try it out. I mean, this is super cool, guys. And personally, I know some people want to be legit, but this doesn't get you banned or anything like that. So you really have nothing to worry about, guys. But be sure to go and try it out because it's super cool. So yeah, I'll see you in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. It's fully working and everything. So I'll see you guys later. Subscribe, guys. Get the word out. This is super cool. It's fully working and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, and I'll see you soon.